Hello traders, how are we doing today? So today we're going to be discussing BMW, and the reason why we're going to be discussing BMW is because I believe this is going to be an upcoming stock, possibly in between a year or two. And the reason behind it is, if you look right here at the 5-year graph, this stock was around $30 and back in 2017, and as the years have been progressively going, the value has been going down. Currently, as of right now, price stock is $20, and this is a perfect opportunity for new investors because BMW is actually going to be releasing a new vehicle soon, and it's going to be the electric 7 series, which is pretty nice, and it was confirmed back in March 18th, 2020. It's going to be an all-electric powertrain, and this BMW, the 7 Series, is going to be able to compete with the upcoming Mercedes-Benz and the new Tesla Model S and so on forth. Because I know Ford, Nissan, and a bunch of more other companies as well are also trying to move on from gas to electric, which is that's going to be the new future, guys. So it's good to invest. Not only that, if you look here at the BMW website, they as well already have two models out. They have the i3 and the i8, which is pretty dang sweet. If you look down here, they also have other electrified models. They have the 330e sedan, the 530, the 745e, the XE drive. So as of right now, they already have about 6 models, but the two nicest ones that really look good is more like the i8 and possibly the i3. It would be pretty nice for possibly like a lady, in my opinion. Maybe your significant other or something like that. Not only that, BMW, I mean, they already have a couple other nice cars. They have some convertibles, actually, not coupes, and then some sedans, and sorry if I pronounced that wrong, and as well as SAVs. But definitely look into BMW, a worth stock to look into right now. A perfect opportunity for new investors. Right now, it's before it gets any later. I mean, electric vehicles. You just saw Nikolai skyrocket to the moon like crazy. Who's to say BMW can't be the next stock? So invest now, traders.